Hello children, it's Mrs. Tucker here, and Puck here needs our help again. Oberon and Titania have sent him out to the forest to collect some leaves. Well, it's the skeletons of leaves. Have a little look at these. They're so delicate. Can you see? So they need them because they want to make them into fairy wings. So Oberon has asked him to collect the wings, and he wants to know, he's got some green ones and he's got some orange ones, and Oberon wants to know how many leaves he's got all together. So first of all, children, I'm going to put them in a green pile and an orange pile. I'm going to sort them out into green and orange. They are really, really delicate. They will make fabulous fairy wings, won't they? Right, so we've got our green ones and we have got our orange ones. Now, if I was a fairy, I would love to have them as fairy wings. Look how beautiful they are. Right, so next things next, I need to count out how many of each I've got. Again, I'm going to have to be very careful. Will you help me count? So green ones, we've got 1. You count. How many did you make? 7. It was 7. Right, let's see how many orange ones we've got. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh dear, that one's broken a little bit. 7. So we've got 7 orange and 7 green. Now, what Puck needs to know is how we can record that so he can take that to Oberon. So we're going to show him different ways to record our addition. Right, so Puck, are you listening? Yep, so one way we can do it is by doing circles. Okay, so we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 orange and we've got 7 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 7 is. Now we've got to add them together. Now we know we've got 7 here, so we can put 7 in our heads. 7, and we're going to count on like we did last week. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we've got 14 leaves. Right, so I'm going to do a 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So Puck, that's one way we could do it. Now, what's another way we could do it, children? I know you're all saying it. Part, part, whole. So Puck, part, part, whole. We do 2 circles. These are the 2 parts. And then the whole is the total at the top. Now, I'm going to do it 2 ways, Puck, to show you, okay? Hope you're remembering all this. So we can either do it with dots, Puck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 is one part, 7 is the other part, and the total, if you remember, do you remember what it was, Puck? Good boy, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, Puck, you need to be really careful not to make these too big so they don't go on top of each other, because if they do, Oberon won't be able to read them, okay? Now, if you know your numbers, Puck, you could put the numbers like this. 7 here, 7 here, and 14 here. The 2 parts are 7 and 7, and the total is 14. Now, another way we could do it, Puck, is we could write a whole number sentence out. Would you like me to show you how to do that? Okay, so if we do that, we use our numbers and we just need to write 7 add 7 is 14. There. So I've shown you 3 different ways to record your addition, Puck. Hopefully this week you'll be able to do some by yourself. And children, what I would like you to do is to find 2 different groups of things and do what I did. Get the 2 groups and then count them up, how many have you got in each group, add them together, and then you can decide which way you're going to record your number sentence. And it doesn't matter which way you do it, just try and do it on one way. And remember, children, to do careful counting. Okay, well done, Puck. Good listening.